all doing tonight? Yeah. That was horrible. How are we all doing tonight? Yeah.
Yo! Hey, we got contacts all around us here. Hey, buddy. Are you dead?
Huh?
Yeah, she's dead.
Yeah.
There's one in the pillar over here. Down. We need action.
Hey, watch right there. Hey, somebody keep watch on our back. Gotta keep all these people in check. Michael, Liam,
Yeah.
how you doing?
The silo, let's go.
Huh?
We gotta get to the silo.
Why?
We hold it for 10 seconds, like touch it, all the zombies die.
Okay. Here, let's breach this side, breach this side.
Watch him, watch him.
Get down, get down. Get in there, let's go, let's go.
Move it in, come on, guys. Go, come on, humans, let's go.
Breach, humans, breach.
Come on, let's go.
Let's go.
Watch him.
Come on, let's go, get in here, get in here.
Open the door.
Clear the room.
They're right up there.
Woo! I got you 3 times, dude.
If the shoes within 10 feet, doesn't count for them. Remember that.
Okay.
Everybody back there?
You alright?
You all good? You all good? You guys all zombies?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Sorry, dude.
That's fine. Sorry. No, you guys sound like some really. Hey, where's your man? I want to hear it! Yeah! Wow, let me hear it again! Oh! One more time! Yeah! Let them get moved! 5, 4, 3, No, he's not. I think, yeah, they got shot. How did he got shot 3 times and kept moving? No, I killed myself there. You were in the corner right here. What? You were on the corner right here. Yeah.
Hey, they're in the ship, they're in the ship.
Do not move. You don't say.
They're in the ship.
Eyes on front.
I'm going the opposite side.
Watch your back. Watch your back. Cover my left.
Hey, they're in here.
Yeah, I know.
Huh? He's hit. Go.
Let's go. I got your back. Come on.
You gonna call it?
He's down already.
Face down on the ground, sir.
Go look at the light on him.
Face down on the ground, sir. Thank you.
Take a pose, right on. Sir, don't move, bro. I'm gonna shoot you. Oh, yeah. That's sexy. Now, if you just move your head so I can shoot you in the nuts.
That's hot.
All right, thank you.
That's
Oh.
next guy. That's Mr. Stuff right there.
Oh, yeah. In the next 15 seconds.
We got him in the bushes. We got him in the bushes. One running right there.
That's up, that's up, that's up.
Hey, watch your size, watch your size. Hey, hey, hey. Don't group. Hey, whoa, whoa, whoa! Whoa!
Here they come. Hey, turn around.
Remember, you guys are in the PBX. Go to the point.
I just.
Get in there! Get a crawler!
If he's crawling, we can shoot him again, right?
I'm allowing crawlers.
So can we count for 60 then?
Sure, I only found
You can melee a crawler, but you cannot shoot a crawler. I'll clarify that. I just decided that one.
That's what?
Dude, I kind of like Drake a little bit. That was kind of funny.
What?
1 minute to leave it.
Wait, when did you get him?
I got him.
I got you, bud. Sorry.
Hey, it's the camera! That GoPro.
Yep.
Wait. This is really Get over here! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go!
If they hold the coat, they're invincible.
Let's go!
Hey, mind you guys, if you hold, listen up. If you hold the coat, you're invincible. You got to get the 2 bombs to the clown now. Where are the bombs? You got to find them.
Let's get both of them there. Alright guys, listen.
Now, both sides. If a zombie with coat, if a survivor with coat, go at it. Zombie trumps.
If you have a Coke and they have a Coke, you go like that.
Zombie wins.
This is going to last about
Can't we
2
just
minutes.
go to Rockford?
Guys, we're running out of time.
Guys, find me that bomb. Alright? Find me that bomb. Get that bomb! See you back right now. Or your head. No! What's that?
Watch your back.
Hey guys, watch out for this
Who the
building.
fuck shot him?
I like that.
I'm with you.
Hey, buddy.
Hey, watch our. Hey, we can kill him because we got 2 Colts.
Watch them. I don't want to shoot him. I don't want to shoot him. Oh, you.
Why does nobody want to play with me? I'm feeling very unlucky.
Something tells me Breeze isn't supposed to leave in the middle of the game.
You got me my leg.
Go, you better move.
Show me my leg.
I got you. Darn, boss, you can't kill him. Okay. Oh, yeah, the cocaine.
Go for it. I didn't know you had the coke. Oh, my bad. I didn't know you had the coke. Hey, I see him.
So I may or may not have shot a zombie in the neck, and he may or may not have cried. That is all.
Fucking with your thumb down.
Can't tell who's alive in that group right there. Like, he's dead.
It was either him or the berserker. I had to choose one.
Who the hell?
I hate you. Colin, Connor, Craig, whatever your name is. Ray!
Oh, you can't be zombie.
Come on, make this fair. Shoot me.
You're the only one that can get me.
I know, so shoot me. Make it fair.
Going home.
Connor him off.
Nick, he loves the coke down zombie because he was coming out of his circuit and the stand, it looks like.
Oh, yeah.
This guy keeps on following. Guys, what do you want?
I'll knife him later.
I can only run it to shoot.
Come back in the light. I can't shoot from here. Power walk.